Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be walking you through a super easy and completely free way to make your own website using Canva. Yes, Canva. Whether you're starting a portfolio, putting together a simple business site, or just want to share something online, by the end of this tutorial you'll have a live website to show off and you don't need any coding skills at all. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva's website builder. If you've used Canva before for designs or social media graphics, you're already halfway there, but don't worry if you're new to it, this part is really straightforward. Once you're on Canva, look for the Create a Canva website button and click on it. This is usually right there on the homepage or under their products section. Clicking this will open up a brand new tab dedicated to their website builder, setting you up to build your own corner of the internet. Now you'll see you're presented with a variety of templates to kick things off. This is one of my favorite parts, honestly. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you get to choose from tons of beautifully designed templates that fit almost any style or purpose: portfolios, event pages, business sites, travel blogs, you name it. Take a moment to browse around. It's like shopping for the perfect outfit, but for your website. Choose one that resonates with your project or personality, because everything is customizable from here on out. Once you've picked your template, this is where the real fun begins: customization. Canva gives you complete creative control. Swap out images just by dragging in your own, update the text to match your message, and drag and drop elements like logos, icons, or even videos. If you want to make a button link to your social media or a specific page, just click on it, select the link option, and paste in your URL. It's that simple. Don't be afraid to play around and experiment. The great thing with Canva is you can always undo or reset things if you change your mind. Think of it as decorating a room. You can reposition the furniture, change up the colors, and really make it feel like your space. Now take a little time to go over your site before moving forward. Maybe even preview it to see how it'll look for visitors. Make sure links are working and the layout looks good, especially on mobile screens, since a lot of people will visit your site from their phones. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make your site public. Here, how you do that: go up to the Share button at the top right corner of Canva, click it, and from the options, select Website. This is Canva's way of prepping your work as an actual site. Next, click on Create Site URL. Canva will then generate a link that you can copy and share anywhere, email it, add it to your social profiles, or send it to friends and clients. And finally, hit Publish. Just wait a few moments while Canva gets everything online, and congratulations! You now have a professional-looking website up and running, completely for free. If you got stuck at any point or have questions about different features, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I check everyone and love helping out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showing off your brand new Canva website.